Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I would like to talk to you about Sultan. Sultan is the perfume basically made by Rehab, Rehab, and it's Middle Eastern brand that's supposed to be super economic. Thank you very much for being here with me in this channel, and I will just in the nature simply speak to you about this perfume. So Sultan, like I already have 3 perfumes from this brand Rehab, and what can I say to you guys? So this one is my favorite. I have this what's that, Dalal perfume, and then I have oh god, what are those names? I forget those names, but there's another one as well, and this one is the third one that I opened, and actually, to be honest, I really like it. Let me tell you why. The notes in this perfume Sultan is like, there is oud, like agar wood, there is oud, there is a little bit musk, floral notes. It's basically like a ambery perfume for woman and man as well. And to be honest, what it feels like, so it feels like simply, have you ever tried, guys, eccentric molecules before? So eccentric molecular one, so it has some kind of similar type of feel, but with not exactly the same, it's a little bit different. So it has this type of molecular, feeling. I actually read one review that says it has a molecular feeling, and when I opened this perfume, I agree. It actually has slightly this type of molecular feeling, but not exactly the same. But it's actually quite pleasant and really pleasant. So I was wearing this perfume, guys, today. I was wearing it today, and I'm going to spray it, one more time. I'm just gonna, one moment, just gonna spray it on more, because what happened to me, guys, I didn't feel like this perfume is super strong. I think the strength is medium, medium strength. Spray it in the air, medium, guys, strength, and but from the fact that what it's smelling like, it's worth, because it was smelling very pleasant. It was warm scent, calming scent, type of warm and cozy. I would say it's like a warming and cozy scent it's maybe something like, say, when you just take off, go out from the shower, and then you want to spray something not too much chemically smelling, and something very pleasant. So that's what it is. Spray this one, guys, and you will feel very nice. And it started to be very windy. I'm not sure how this review gonna be, but I really recommend you guys to try this perfume. Silver from Rehab. It's supposed to be very nice. Silver perfume is supposed to smell like Ventus, or something like that. So that's what I would like to try, guys. And this one is nice. It's, I really like this perfume because of its kind of that molecular feel and this gentle feeling, and it's not too strong or anything. It's not like something perhaps it will surprise you too much, but it will surprise you like how gentle it is, and that type of opening you will feel very soothing, So I will finish this review as it is right now, and with a positive review, and I wish you guys to have a beautiful day. Like this video so we can meet each other again, and I will come back to you soon. Bye bye, guys.